another vlog. Welcome again to my channel. Isa Tinglers vlog. So guys, for today's vlog, we are on the way to Ferdinand-Warte. So I heard they have an amazing panorama view there. So we are on the way to check the place, and I'm going to show you later, guys. And to those who are new here, please do me a favor to subscribe to this channel, guys. Help this channel to grow, and hit also the notification bell so you're always updated for my upcoming videos. So we will see us later there, so stay tuned. So guys, I'm on the way to Ferdinand-Warte. So we are going to walk like 10 minutes. They said that the place is very nice. They have a very beautiful panorama lake over there. So I have water with me in case if I feel thirsty, and we have amazing weather today. It's very nice. 1 hour ago it was very windy, but now it's really nice weather. Before I thought it was raining. So it's a kind of plants. So this is the Naturwald Ferdinand-Warte. Very nice weather we have here right now, guys. So we're going down. We're going down. We have to be careful with our steps. This is the way. Honey, be careful, Arnold. So look at that, guys. Look at this amazing view we have here. The Danube view. Honey, be careful. So we have to be careful going down. And here is a little bit windy. Oops.
It's up in our land.
Mm-hmm.
It's stuff. It's in our land. It's all
Yeah. Opasin. Pass out. Be careful. with your steps. So guys, we are finally here. So guys, look at that view guys. Oh my god. Look at that guys. This is the Dano view.
Da ist ein Land. Da ist ein kleines Land. Da ist ein kleines Land. Da unten. So cool. Sieht doch schon.
It's super here guys, but as you can see guys, we have that fantastic Dano at the back. Sometimes you can go down there, but it's better not to do that place because it's very dangerous. So it's very nice to take picture there, but I rather don't want to go there. So now I'm going back. I'm going back, guys. So that was the place. So I'm going back. And I would like to say thank you guys for watching this video guys, and please guys do me a favor to subscribe to this channel guys. Please help this channel to grow, and thank you so much for all your support. See you next time again. I wish you all a great weekend.